Guys, I'm back again. Ooh, make sure you can hear me. And I fixed my camera because I just watched the last video that I did. I'm so sorry. Like the camera, I saw it differently than what the video showed. So like all you can see is like the top of my head. So I think I'm doing it better. Ooh, look, you can see my shoulders. That's fun. Today I'm doing another Halloween-y type look. Kind of like a masquerade-y mask thing. I think it'll be wicked fun. I'm gonna try it. I've never done this before. I say that before all my videos. Crayon grape. Delicious. So, I'm gonna be fast forwarding a lot of this stuff. I'm gonna be using the same things as last time. I have a white, I have a silver, a black. I'm just kind of gonna do whatever. No plan. So if you want to watch me do that, I'll see you on the flip side. And that's what I got for you. Is that fun? I just felt like being creative, and I think it kind of worked. Get the point? The little things over here. I don't know. I just like doing swirlies. That's kind of fun, right? Well, oh look, and then I'd be like, oh wait, over here. Yeah, be like one of those things, like, hello. Or I could put it over here. Like, I'm here for the ball. Or the gala? I don't know why you would wear these. But it's a blue-green one. With red lips. Well, thank you. I might do one more Halloween type thing. Tomorrow. Yeah, because tomorrow, when is Halloween? Thursday? I might have one more. I do have an idea for one more, and I'm very, very excited. So I think it'll be super fun. It might have something to do with candy corn. So if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment. I've noticed my comments aren't all coming through. Because I got a notification that someone left a really nice comment, but it's not showing up on YouTube, and that's happened before, so I don't know if it's just like a glitch thing. Maybe it'll just fix itself. But look, I put like shinies everywhere. Wicked fun. Well, thank you very much. Happy Halloween. It's coming closer. Very excited. And I will see you next time. And until then, remember to be kind. Put some color in your world, and stay humble. Bye, guys.